This is an age of science. We all enjoy the fruits of science. A modern man without science is a nonentity. He uses the gift of science every moment. Science provides him with things of daily use. He can't go without electricity, the milestone invention of science. He moves from one place to another with the help of vehicles. He reads books, newspapers, etc. All are the gift of science. TV and radio entertain him, and computer lessons his manual work. Internet and fax transmit a communication in the swiftest time possible. Air conditioner and refrigerator are ready to act for him in hot summer. Medical sciences, with wonderful inventions, try to lessen his pain in time of ailment. The scientific study helps him to judge everything in the light of argument. False beliefs no longer rule his life. He becomes free from dogmas. In fact, science makes his daily life easygoing and convenient. Science also makes him intellectually sound and strong. All this explains why a man of today is fond of the study of science.